Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine from juice. First, select a high-quality fruit juice without preservatives like potassium sorbate. Next, meticulously sanitize all your equipment, including carboys, airlocks, and siphons, to prevent any unwanted bacteria from spoiling your batch. Then, use a hydrometer to measure the initial sugar content, known as original gravity, which helps predict the final alcohol percentage. This crucial first step sets the foundation for a successful fermentation. Once your juice is ready, it's time to introduce the star of the show, wine yeast. Rehydrate your yeast according to package directions before pitching it into the juice. Maintain a stable fermentation temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, to ensure healthy yeast activity and prevent off flavors. Finally, secure an airlock on your fermenter. This allows carbon dioxide to escape while keeping unwanted oxygen and contaminants out, protecting your developing wine. After primary fermentation subsides, it's time for racking. Carefully siphon your wine from the fermenter into a clean, sanitized carboy, leaving the spent yeast and sediment behind. This process, often repeated, helps clarify the wine. Next, stabilize your wine using sulfites and potassium sorbate to prevent further fermentation and oxidation. Then, let your wine rest and clarify for several weeks or even months in a cool, dark environment, allowing any remaining particles to settle. The final exciting step is bottling your homemade wine. Ensure all your bottles and corks are meticulously sanitized to prevent any contamination. Carefully siphon the wine into each bottle, leaving about 1 inch of headspace to allow for expansion and prevent corks from popping. Securely cork each bottle. While tempting, resist opening immediately. Aging your wine for at least 6 months or even longer will significantly enhance its flavor, aroma, and overall complexity. Enjoy your handcrafted creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.